question. Next question is a cite a statement. India plans to issue sovereign green bonds. Bonds mane loan lua to raise money. Paisa kihor karone lage? For green infrastructure projects. Consider the following statements about India's sovereign green bonds. Ji najaneo etia gom pai gol acha infrastructure projects karone paisa lage. Statement 1. The funds raised will be used to finance public projects that lower the economy's carbon intensity. India issued its first sovereign green bond in 2023. Okay. Green bonds are part of India's strategy to achieve net zero emission by 2070. Are part of boli koise. Okay. Only private investors can subscribe to green bonds. Okay. এতিয়া আমাৰ টেকনিকটো কি হয় গোটেই চাৰিটা প্ৰথমতে পঢ়ি চাব পঢ়ি চাই কোনটো অবান্তৰ নিচিনা লাগিছে কোনটো লজিকত কৰিব পাৰে চাওক the funds will be used to finance public projects that lower হ'ব পাৰে carbon intensity issued its first sovereign green bond in 2023 বহুতেটো নাজানিব পাৰে কেতিয়া 2003 নে 2024 নে 22 আৰু এটো নাম্বাৰ হল বুলি এলিমিনেট কৰি দিম এনেকুৱা নহয় যদি এটো নাজানে তেতিয়াহলে তাক থাকিব দিও Green bonds are part of India's strategy to achieve net zero emission. Hobo pare part. Only private investors. A to statements are only private investors. Ta mane ki? Ta mane public government issue ko loboi noibo niki bond. So hey to kothat ami apotti ase. The only private investor keneke hobo pare. A to wrong korile 4 to jetia eliminate kori dibo thakibo 1 2 3. So, apna answer to 1, 2, 3 only.